Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Skoda remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is we need to remove the emergency key fob blade out of the top of the fob. We do so by sliding over this little catch here, which releases the blade, like so. And now I get a little screwdriver and then back down the hole where the blade came from, just pop the tip of the screwdriver in and press upwards, and it releases the cover. And there is your key fob battery. Again, get your screwdriver and just prise it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get a new key fob battery and we just pop it back into the housing, making sure that the right on the battery is facing upwards and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it all back together. So you get the other half of the case, make sure it all lines up, and we just click it back. And we just pop the blade back in to the top of the fob. And there you go, it's all done.